Hey craft champs, let's jump into this Muddy's mini textured painting, our serene amber tide creation. Snag your paints, brushes, and a wave of whimsy. Rinse cup and paper towels essential. Breathe deep, spark that artist fire, and let the day's chaos crash away. Game on, let's paint. Step 1. Prepare your painting tools. Use a precision brush and color number 8 to draw the dividing line between the waves and the beach. Step 2. Mix colors number 8 and number 22 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using the back of the palette knife, scrape the mixture from the dividing line downwards to create the sandy beach and tap lightly to create a textured color effect. Add more color number 8 to enrich the color layers near the bottom. Allow it to dry. Step 3. Mix colors number 8 and number 10 with quartz sand in a 1:2 ratio. Use the palette knife to scrape from the top right downwards to create the ocean part. Next, mix colors number 8 and number 10 and number 2 with quartz sand in a 1:2:1 ratio 2 ratio, and scrape upwards from the water's edge to add more depth to the ocean's color layers. Step 4. Mix color number 2 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using the back of the palette knife, scrape 3 layers of waves to create texture, or use a flat brush to paint the waves. Step 5. Use glue to attach the shells, conch shells, and pearls in suitable positions on the beach. Allow the glue to dry before proceeding. Step 6. Use a brush and colors, number 8 and number 10, to paint the shells and conch shells, ensuring they match the color scheme of the beach, which will enhance the overall harmony of the artwork. Congratulations! Your hand-painted textured seaside landscape is complete.
Ta-da! Your amber tide is a beachy triumph. Rinse brushes, dry flat, then hang it or gift it. Tag #CraftHero and #Muddies to spread the sandy vibes. Thanks for crafting. Waves up for next time.